Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Halloween clean and decorate with me. I am so excited to be decorating for Halloween with you guys, and I'm also so happy to show you all of my Halloween home decor. Make sure you stick around and watch the entire video so you see everything that I decorated for Halloween, and I really hope you enjoy. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my Halloween haul. I'll have that video linked below in the description box. Some of my Halloween home decor is new and some of my Halloween home decor is old. So I'm just going to reuse all of my old Halloween decor and pretty much bring in some new stuff that I picked up this year. So let me know in the comment section if you plan on decorating for Halloween or if you have already decorated for Halloween. I hope this Halloween clean and decorate will give you all of the motivation and inspiration you need to decorate your house. So first I'm going to start with my favorite area to decorate, which is this entryway table. I will be switching out all of this stuff eventually. I know in the beginning I did try to add in the black with what I had on the shelf, but it just did not work out. So I ended up taking almost everything off of this table and changing it out, and I will be spraying this table down with the pink grapefruit by Method. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ryan Michelle. I'm a military wife and a mom of 4 beautiful kids. I create cleaning, laundry, lifestyle, and home decor videos. So if you enjoy content like that, I really hope you consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. So with this boo sign, the end, I think it was an exclamation mark that was supposed to be at the end, but that piece was broken off, and I don't know if I bought it like that or what, but it was broken off and I just used it. I didn't feel like taking it back to the store because the store that I purchased it from, it's not like I can go back and pick up another one. They are probably all gone, and I think when I bought this it was the only one left. So yeah, I wasn't taking it back to the store to return it. So to save money this year for this Halloween clean and decorate video, I wanted to do as many DIY projects as I possibly could. And if you are following me over on Instagram, you have seen some of them. For this DIY project, I decided to get some ornaments from Dollar Tree, and these signs were actually from Dollar Tree too. And I just spray painted them with some charcoal spray paint and glued the Eek sign on top. So my Halloween home decor this year was so budget friendly. A lot of it was from Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Dollar General had so many nice pieces this year. The Target dollar spot is also another good area or place to look for Halloween home decor too. So here I'm just going to add in some pine cones and a little tea light that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And moving on to these wall shelves, I just wanted to keep it nice and simple and basic, and those spiders are also from Dollar Tree too. So for my couch, I will just be switching out some of the pillows and adding in some Halloween pillows and a Halloween throw blanket. So I know this is a Halloween clean and decorate, but my home was not messy, so I didn't have much to clean. I just needed to wipe areas that needed it, and the same with sweeping. I just needed to sweep up all of the mess that dropped from my Halloween decor. Okay, so before I forget, I wanted to let you guys know that my socks are from the Target Dollar Spot. Aren't they just so freaking cute? I had to pick up these socks. I actually got my daughter some too, and they are so cute. My Hocus Pocus shirt is from Target too. So I recently moved this shelf from over by my console table to behind the door, and I'm not really loving the area because the door actually hits this and sometimes it knocks over my decor. So I will be looking for a new area to place this shelf because I love it. And now I am back over here rearranging things again.
Of us, you don't think things through. No, I know you. Only photographs is what we have. Oh, liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir.
So I didn't know if I were going to use the trick-or-treaters this year, but I decided to add them into my decor because they were so cute and they actually went with the color scheme. This is what it looks like. I will be changing out those pillows because I thought that the orange looked better. But this is what the table looks like. Now moving on to decorating the kitchen, I did these bats. I would have purchased the paper bats, but I just didn't find them, and I don't know if they were all sold out or what, and I did not order them online. I just decided to create my own bats, and I used some bats from the Dollar Tree. That video is actually on my Instagram as well, so if you want to look at that video, it is on my Instagram. And it's actually on my TikTok too. I know I never talk about my TikTok, but I am on TikTok as well. So if you want to check out how I did those bats, go and check out those videos on my other social medias. So I know this has nothing to do with the video, but our microwave actually went out, and I don't understand. That has never happened before, but our microwave went out on us, so we just had to go and purchase a new microwave. Let me know if you have ever had a microwave that just stopped working. I have never seen anything like that before. So for my coffee bar, I will not be decorating that much. I just will be switching out the coffee mugs. And these black coffee mugs were from Target. And I'm pretty upset with myself because Dollar Tree had the exact same ones. I know the quality is a bit different, but I'm only using the mugs for decoration. So I should have went to Dollar Tree first and picked up those mugs. So now I'm coming back with the Eek ornaments. I'll just be hanging those against my coffee mugs. So these towels are actually from the Dollar Spot as well. They had some really pretty stuff. It wasn't that much left, when I went, but I was able to snag these kitchen towels, and they went with the Halloween home decor perfectly.
You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade, and the days move so slow.
And please give this video a thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I appreciate you guys so much. And to all of my loyal subscribers, thank y'all so much for coming back to my videos each and every week. I love y'all so much, and thank you.
Check my phone, I don't wanna face it. Everything feels wrong and there's no replacing. What we had is gone and it's all too late. And I'm better off, but I can't deal with this aching.
So this is what the finished look like on my tier tray. If you know me, you know that I will change this tray out over and over and over and over again. So it probably will not look like this the next time you see this area of my house. Now I will just be wiping down my table. So if you love or are interested in anything you see from my videos, as in my furniture, my decor, let me know. But I do have a Amazon storefront, and I'll have that linked in my description box. So if you make a purchase from my link, I do get a small commission from your purchase. So let me know if you see anything and it's not there. I will make sure I find stuff that is similar, because some stuff they do not have on their site anymore. So just let me know in the comment section. So this is the final look as of now. When I decorated those shelves, I did do another DIY on my books, my farmhouse stack books, and I actually spray painted them with chalkboard paint. You can see those on the bottom shelf. If you are interested in that video, it is on my TikTok and it is on my Instagram.
Break my heart if you want to. Well, I really don't mind. That's how much I want you. Yeah.
So I did this kind of backwards, and I was being very lazy. I should have taken everything back off and added the cloth, but I didn't. And it actually made it more difficult to decorate by doing that. Why? I don't know why I did that, but I will be changing this area out because I'm really not as pleased with how it looks. But I just wanted to show you guys what I did first. I will be switching it out, and when I added in lights this week, it did look much better. I think I just need to add in another one of these cloths, but I don't have any more black, so I will have to go back to the store and pick up another one. So guys, we have reached the end of the video. I hope this clean and decorate for Halloween video inspired and motivated you in some kind of way. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much, and if you watched to the end, thank you so much. And if you are still here, drop me some black heart emojis in the comment section. Y'all, I appreciate y'all love and support so much, and I will see you guys back on Wednesday.